औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा। Students, class 4, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Students, here I am your English teacher from Darul Arqam School, Iqbal Town campus. Students, this is our first class. Hope so you will be fine. Students, open your English planner with me. Here the planner is given. Period number, date and day, and class word. Period number 1, mention the period number 1, mention date here 5/4/2001. The work is revise all parts of speech and learn definition. Workbook page number 29 to 36. Concept clear. So first of all, open page number 29. Okay, I have opened page number 29. First of all, mention the date. Day is 5/4/2021. The day is Monday. Revision parts of speech. Okay, here today we will revise parts of speech. How many parts of speech? There are 8 parts of speech. The first is given is noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming words. It can be name of person, place, things, एनिमल्स और आइडियाज़. नाउन क्या है? नाउन भी किसी भी चीज़ का नाम है जो किसी आइडिया है, कोई आदमी है, कोई चीज़ है, किसी भी फीलिंग्स का नाम जो है तो नाउन है डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज. नाउन, आइडियाज़, फीलिंग्स, लव, रिलेशनशिप्स. प्लेस, लाइब्रेरी, पाकिस्तान, बीच. पीपल, डॉक्टर, एनिमल्स, डॉग, एनीथिंग, एनी पर्सन नेम. The objects, things, objects, book, house, flower, bridge, anything is called noun. Name of anything is called noun. The second one is verb. What is verb? It describes an action or the state of being. What is verb? Verb shows action. Is a simple definition is verb shows action. Doing action, word, found, draw, play, touch, drinking, eating, sleeping, crying, anything is called noun. And the other thing is helping word, can, could, is, do, also called noun. Move on the next page. First of all, mention date and day. The day is 5/4/2021. The day is Monday. The third part of speech is adjective. What is adjective? It is used to describe a noun. It is used to describe a noun. It describes the quality of noun. It describes the noun. These are called adjective. What kind is it? Short, skinny, dog. It describe dog कैसे है? Short, skinny. It describe the noun is called adjective. What qualities has it got? Beautiful flower. Qualities also describe the adjective. Describe the quality. The beautiful flower. What is how the flowers look like? Flower is beautiful. Beautiful flower. Which one is it? Old, white, house. House कैसा है? Old है और white है. How old, white house. The next one is how many are there? 3 beer. कितने बियर हैं? 3 beer. Describe the things. Beer कितने हैं? 3 beers हैं. It can be 4, 5, anything. What color is it? Ruby, bright red ruby. Ruby कैसी है? Bright red ruby. How does it sound, taste, look, feel, smell? These are all the qualities. All things is describe the noun. The thing describe the noun is called adjective. Adverb. What is adverb? Adverb tells more about a verb. Adverb. Add. There are 2 words. Adverb tell us more about a verb. Adjective or another word. It answers this question: when, where, how much, why. Adjective, anything. When we add something in the verb is called adverb. Like how the work done is slowly, speedily, happily, sadly. These are also called adverb. The next one is how the things are done. That modify a verb. Walk, lazily. Modify an adjective, really important. Modify another verb is slowly. These are also adverbs, kind of adverbs. The preposition, it shows the relationship of a noun or the pronoun to some other words in a sentence. Preposition, in the short, preposition show the position of thing. Where is the thing? Prepositions are in, on, our, near. The thing, the pen is on the table. Where is the pen? The pen is on the table. Conjunction, it is used to join words, sentences together. It conjunction use join two sentences each other. Like conjunctions are and, but, so, or, because. These are conjunctions. For example, the boy is slim and healthy. Slim and healthy. Its joined two sentences is called conjunctions. Okay. Move on the next page. Date, mention date 5/4/2020 and the day is Monday. Brainstorming, challenge yourself. The first is done by us. Noun, mouse. Adjective, tinny mouse. Use your adjective and noun in a sentence. The tinny mouse ran quickly into the wheat field. The second one is adjective, noun. So noun, bee. Adjective, small. Use these adjective and the noun in a sentence. I have a small bee. Write down here. Now write down noun, bee. Adjective, small bee. And let's make a sentence. I have a small bee. Okay, move on the next page. Page number 32. Mention the date and day here. And the second here, the apple is given. Noun, what is noun? Apple. Adjective is sweet apple. Write down the sweet apple and the make a sentence. This is a sweet apple. The taste of an apple is very sweet. And the next picture is pizza. Write the name of thing, pizza, Pizza. Adjective is tasty pizza, yummy pizza, spicy pizza. You can write anything. Use this adjective and noun in the sentence. Pizza was tasty. I have eaten pizza. Okay students, this is our first class. Write down this noun, adjective and then make the sentences in the neat and clean writing. Revise all parts of speech. Stay blessed and stay at your home. Okay beta, Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.